Welcome to episode 5. Imagine your AI agent can now answer, who changed this file, and why, in seconds. Not by guessing. Not by searching Slack. By reading the actual Git history, structured and searchable. Today we unlock that power. Think about the questions developers actually ask. Who changed the auth module last week? What exactly changed in that commit? How has this file evolved? These are real questions, and they need real, structured answers. Running Git log and parsing the output is fragile. Your agent needs a proper API, one that filters by author, date, keyword, and file path, all at once. That is exactly what JigyasaMCP provides. Here is search_commits in action. We are searching for commits mentioning multi-language by a specific author within the last 7 days. Notice, we are filtering by keyword and author and date range, all simultaneously. The result is clean, structured just so. Each commit comes back with its SHA, author, date, and subject line. No parsing. No regex. Just data your agent can reason about immediately. Now let us go deeper. Commit_diff takes a SHA and returns everything about that commit. The author, date, subject, plus full stats. This commit touched 20 files, with 12 insertions and over 2,000 deletions. You get per file status, added, modified, deleted, and the actual unified diffs. This is real output from the JigyasaMCP repository. Your agent can now read exactly what changed, line by line. File_history zooms into a single file. Here we are asking, show me the last 3 commits that touched pipeline.py. And it delivers. 3 commits, each with its date, subject, and the actual diff showing what changed in that file. The killer feature? It follows renames. If the file was moved or renamed at any point, file_history still tracks its full lineage. No gaps in the story. Let us see the full workflow. A user asks, who changed pipeline recently? The agent calls search_commits with the file path. It finds 3 recent commits. It picks the most interesting one, SHA-19D0535, about multilanguage support. Then it calls commit_diff to read the actual changes. It can also call get_context to see the current state of the codebase. Finally, it synthesizes everything into a clear, human-readable answer. 6 steps, fully automated, zero guesswork. If you have used Bluebird MCP, this will feel familiar. Search_commits maps to code_history with the commits method. Commit_diff maps to the diff method. File_history maps to the file_history method. The same capability, but JigyasaMCP runs entirely on your machine. It works with any Git repository. Local repos, self-hosted GitLab, Bitbucket, it does not matter. If it is a Git repo, JigyasaMCP can read its history. In the final episode, we explore how JigyasaMCP handles multiple programming languages and how it adapts to new ones it has never seen before. The system that teaches itself. See you in episode 6.